Hello and welcome to this week's presentation about primes. And first we'll be talking about fabulous factors because you need to understand those who know what primes are. Factors are numbers that divide exactly into another number. The factors of 12, for example, are 1, 2, 3, 4, 6. The factor pairs of 12 are 1 and 12, 2 and 6, and 3 and 4. And the factors of 36 are listed right there and in the factor rainbow, which I absolutely love. Love numbers, and this is about, well, loving numbers as well as number love, I guess. So 220 is a very special number because the factors of 220 are 1, 2, 4, 5, 10, 11, 20, 22, 44, 55, and 110. And nobody really knows, and nobody really thinks anything better about those until you add them up, and they make 284, but it's still nothing that special. But the factors, however, of 284 make, if you add them together again, make 220. And if you remember, the factors of 220 make 284. So here you go. Primes. Primes are the A-list celebrities of all numbers. They can only be divided exactly by numbers other than one on themselves, and they can't be predicted. So you can't say, I know that the next number after a billion is a prime. We can't actually say that. We can say that the longest prime is 2 to the power of 75,859,064. So minus 1. So we can say that, but we don't know what's the next biggest prime. We can't say that we know that all primes are a factor of 24 or something. So, knowing that, see if you can work out which one of these is a prime. Is it 1, 8, or 3? If you look at the top, a helpful clue will appear. So that rules out 1. Is it 8 or 3? The answer is 3, as 8 can be divided by 2 and 4 and 1 and 8. But all prime numbers can be divided by 1 on themselves. And their primes have bounties on their heads. For a billion-digit prime number, if you find one, you get £250,000. Sorry, my 0 disappeared in as it says there, primes are wreaking havoc across the world and a billion-digit monster is eating them. This is all fiction, by the way. But it is true that a billion-digit prime number is $250,000. Even the lowest prime numbers are being cheeky, as we found out when we caught this number 5 in a supermarket dancing. And that is the end of this week's presentation.